it's me, Savvy, and in today's video, I am going to be reviewing the Jaclyn Hill Volume 2 palette. I have done a couple looks with it already, and it performs nice, but I will do a look for you on camera. Here is the inside of the palette. So there is all the colors. We have Certified, I'm in it, Love Handles, Comfort Zone, Perfectionist, Rider Diamonds, Thick Skin, No Joke, Talia, Feeling Myself, Homebody, GRWM, Bougie, Drama Queen, Flawed and Odd, G Money, Positivity, My Man, Grateful, Hard On, Living My Best, and that one's like a red shiny color, which I really like that one. A Moment, Therapy Chesh, Lolly Mama, Tipsy Girl, Empowered, Next, Dance Party, Stage Show, Not My Journey, Good Place, Paleo, Oh Hello, Crazy, and Temptress. So let me go ahead and swatch each row for you. Okay, so there's the first row. And there's the first row swatched. I really like the Rider Diamond shade. It's very glittery. This is the third row. This is the third row swatched. I love that there's glitter in that red shade. So far, swatch-wise, performance-wise, the third row is the one that's swatched the best so far. The next row. There we go. I like that first purpley glittery shade. And last but not least, the last row of the palette. So there is all those. Okay, so this palette, it retails for $39, so round it to $40. And there's 35 shades, so it's about $1.14 per shade, so that's not bad. And then the ingredients, there is mica, and there is also carmine in it. So if you're vegan, then this is not the palette for you. I am sorry. I apologize. Some people don't mind well, if you guys don't know what carmine is, it's crushed beetles, and some people don't mind crushed beetles on their face. I don't mind crushed beetles on my face because honestly, they're bugs. I mean, it's sad, but they're just bugs to me. But I know some people, I'm probably gonna lose a lot of subscribers for saying that, but it's just my opinion. But a lot of people, they really don't like carmine, and they don't like that on their face because there's some vegans that don't even eat honey and things like that because, you know, honey comes from bees. So they believe a bee is a bug or an animal. Well, it is, but like, I don't know how to explain it without sounding horrible. Anyways, there's carmine in it. Don't buy it if you're vegan or if you believe in that part. And there's also mica, and a lot of people don't believe in mica because I guess children mine it or something. I don't really have a lot of research in that one, but I know there's like a lot of people that are against that. So just in case, I just wanted to let y'all know those two ingredients are in the palette. But let's get into this look. So I'm thinking about doing like some kind of rainbowy look. The first shade I'm gonna dip into is gonna be Rider Diamonds, and I'm gonna use that to cover my entire lid. Okay, next I'm gonna take Perfectionist and put it all over my lids. Now I'm gonna use shade Living My Best. So it's like a really pretty red color. Now I'm gonna take shade My Man, which is this orangey color. I have noticed there's fallout on the pan, but when I press it, there's not really fallout on my face. So that's now I'm gonna take the shade No Joke, do the same thing. That's like that pretty yellow color that I really like. I mean, look how pretty this No Joke color is. I'm like, it's gorgeous yellow. And then the next shades, I'm gonna do A Moment, Not My Journey. But see, there's the fallout of the yellow. I didn't mean to do that, but there's the fallout. But anyways, so A Moment, Not My Journey, A Good Place, and I'm gonna end it with the Temptress, and I'll be back and I'll show you the final. All right, so that is the finished look. Hope you guys like that. Hope you guys like my new hair. Just kidding. It's one of my wigs that I got from Amazon. It was only like $5. So yeah. And also, I don't know if you guys knew that, but my guinea pig passed away. And so you won't hear squeaking in the background no more. So, but I've been really sad about that. But anyway, it's not about that. This is about this video. But that's my final look. And I would say that the quality of this palette is a lot better than a lot of Morphe palettes, which I know she says her formula is different than Morphe's. And whenever I think I've owned 3 Morphe palettes. I've owned the Midnight Gleamin' one, which I have a review of. I hated that palette. So I gave it to somebody else because I just didn't like it, and I'm pretty sure they could probably make it work better than me. And then I've had the James Charles collab, the Jeffree Star collab, and now this collab. So it seems to me that just Morphe palettes, and that could just be me, but just my opinion. It's just Morphe palettes. Their formula is not that great, but if they're collabed with somebody, they seem to perform better, if that makes sense. So I just wanted to put that out there, but I like the way this palette performed. I love the color story. Definitely for sunset vibes all the way. Use that palette. I like how pigmented it is. And I like that there wasn't really any fallout on my face. It was more just in the pan. So that was really nice. So I recommend getting this palette. It's cheap it's $1.14, as I said, for eyeshadow, which is nice. And yeah, so that is my thoughts. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, like, comment, subscribe. Let me know your opinions down below of the palette if you have it, or your opinions on the ingredients or whatever. I'm open to anything. And yeah, let's be friends.